for you, we have identified 7 important topics that you must read from today's The Hindu newspaper. So the first article for the day is about the Kalakkad Tiger Reserve. Actually, there was an elephant which was creating quite issues there for a few days. Now it is finally captured and now being transferred to the Kalakkad Tiger Reserve. So from exam perspective, from GS paper 3, you should have the idea about the location, kind of forest which are found there, kind of vegetation and the animals which are found in the Kalakkad Tiger Reserve. The second article that we have is pandemic treaty. So it is not final yet, but the one issue that we have is about that this treaty does not include the antimicrobial diseases resistance, which is a very important topic from GS paper 3 perspective. Next article that we have is about the hypersonic missile. Recently Iran actually announced that it is very close to develop the hypersonic missile. So from GS paper 3 perspective, defense perspective, science and tech perspective, we should have idea what is hypersonic missile, what is supersonic missile, and which are the countries which are actually in the process of the developing this hypersonic missile. The third article for the day that we have is about the manual scavenging, because recently Justice Ministry actually announced that 508 districts in India are actually now free of manual scavenging. So as an article, as an issue, we should know what is manual scavenging, what are the steps that are being taken by the government of India, and what are the announcements which are done by the Supreme Court about the manual scavenging. You should cover that topic. The next article that we have is actually the editorial for the day, which talks about the role of the states in achieving the transition or the clean energy goal of India, because being a federal country, states also have a very important role here to play. The next article that we have is about the retail inflation, and some estimates are showing that in the month of May and the coming months, retail inflation, which is also called CPI inflation, is actually going to decline in India. What are the reasons about that? What is the meaning of the retail inflation? How this is different from the other types of inflation? So that article should be covered from the GS paper 3 economy perspective. The next article we have is from the international relation, which actually talks about the relation between Kosovo and Serbia. From this text section, actually author tried to cover about the history and the present about this, and what is the role of the NATO and the other European countries. If you are interested in the IR, I would not say this topic is very important, but you could have some idea about the map work which is there, what are the Baltic states, Kosovo, Serbia, some locations. So you should cover that topic from that perspective. So this is all for the day. These are the 7 articles that you must read, and if you want to join our WhatsApp group where we provide you the whole PDF for this, there is a number given in the comment section. You can join our WhatsApp group as well. Thank you very much. All the best. Jai Hind.